just in. Furls is releasing a new hook today, and I thought I'd share it with all of you. It's a big surprise, but it is another zodiac hook. It is Scorpio, and I know you guys have been waiting for Scorpio. But before I get to that, I want to remind you that there is 30% off select colors of Wander Yarn. So make sure that you grab your Wander Yarn while you can. And please use my affiliate link in the description box below. But without further ado, let us take a look at this hook. This hook is amazingly beautiful. This is the new Scorpio hook. It is absolutely a beautiful hook. I couldn't wait to show it to you. I know how much you're wanting to see it. Give me a second. I'm going to give you another image. You can see the glitter in there. Look at that. And there is another image. That is just a stunning hook. Let's go in for a close-up. Look at how beautiful that is. That is beautiful. It's red. It's black. It's just gorgeous. Those are my high school colors. I thought you guys just couldn't wait to see that, and I couldn't wait to show it to you. That is just a stunning, stunning hook. So definitely hit my link in the description box. It won't cost you a penny unless, of course, you buy a hook, and then it will. I mean, just look at the sparkles on those hooks. Look at that. That one shows all the sparklies. That is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. I thought you guys would love to see these hooks and these images. They are just absolutely beautiful. I am so blown away with how beautiful they are. I knew I had to share them with all of you. They just amaze me. They are really pretty. So make sure that you head over to Furls and check them out. And don't forget, they do have the Libra hook, which is just as pretty, but on a much lighter other end of the spectrum. And also, don't forget that they do have the red metal streamline hooks available as well. So go over there and check those hooks out. And grab you a few hooks, one or two or 10. You never know. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.